It gives me immense pleasure to welcome and introduce our speakers for today. Mr. Chirag Dodia, founder and CEO of Lifestack Technology. Sir is a technical entrepreneur and a speaker with 8 years of expertise in various technologies and has worked with several industries ranging from B2B, location intelligence, edutech, and more.
So welcome everyone, Chirag here. So today what we are going to do is, this is going to be a more hands-on approach about how no-code programming and no-code bubble development works for students. And I'm sure like most of you are from computer engineering background, right? So you guys will be able to understand how this industry looks like, right? So what's the future of this industry and if you guys want to build a career out of it, right? So that's going to be the entire thing. Like even if you don't want to do all of that and if you just want to build something, right? Because like even when I was in college, I used to create lots of little things. I used to create to-do list, I used to create calculator application, all of those little things, right? Just to figure out how things actually work. Great. So today we are talking about opportunity for startups with no-code platform. So in no-code specifically, I mean Bubble, right? Bubble is a platform that I've been using for the past 2 years to build amazing platforms that are like full-fledged mobile apps that people can use, or a full-fledged web apps that you can build a business on, right? I've built over 30 plus products on Bubble for my clients across the world. I'm not talking about just India, across the world, right? So this is a very new upcoming technology, right? The company has been around for 8 years. It's very well funded. It has huge amount of money, but it also has 1.6 million users using the platform right now, right, across the world. And I discovered Bubble in like around 2.5 years ago when I was building some technologies for my client, and my client came to me and said, I want to build this technology, but I don't have the budget of 5 to 10 lakhs. What traditional technologies take, like JavaScript or all of those that you guys are learning.